Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use eGift card in store in 2026 or how you can redeem the eGift cards in store. So before reaching the register, you just have to simply open the eGift card on your phone or on your email or on the brand's application or on the wallet application. Now, most of the eGift cards include barcode, the QR code or the gift card number or the PIN. So you need to make sure that the screen brightness is high and the internet access is also available if the card loads online. Now, a lot of checkout delays happen because people search for the gift card while standing at the register. Now, at the checkout, you just have to show the barcode or the QR code to the cashier. Most of the stores simply scan the code directly from the phone screen, exactly like a physical gift card. Some of the stores may instead ask for the gift card number or the PIN manually, especially if the scanner has trouble reading the screen. So here, if the eGift card balance is smaller than the purchase total, you can ask for a split payment, or you can use another payment method like your another card of yours or your cash or the mobile wallet. Now, some of the brands allow the eGift cards to be stored inside the Apple Wallet, Google Wallet. So this makes the scanning much faster, and it also prevents email looking problems during checkout. So you can try any of these methods in order to basically use eGift cards on the store. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.